Hi everyone, I have another Christmas project share I would like to share with you all. So here I have a gift card holder, which is your basic card holder for any size of a card. It's 2 by 3.5 gift card. And I just used some of my papers, designer papers from my stash, I'm sorry. And what I did is I glued sentiments on a cardstock to make it sturdier. Then I went ahead and cut some of my chipboard that I had left over, and I just cut those and used those to pop up the sentiment, if you could see in there. And I just used regular glue to adhere that. And then here I have the jute rope, jute twine, I'm sorry, that measures 14 inches, and I just tied a bow, and I folded like an inch. I think this is like maybe four inches, and I fold it in half, and then I use my Stampin' Up, what do you call this? You know, this punch here, bunting punch, I think. And that's what I did, so they can put the to and from, or whatever the greeting may be. So you can pretty much incorporate this as a gift card for any occasions and holiday. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I went about making this as well. So what you first want to go ahead and do and start off is a page. It could be a designer paper, it could be any paper that you do have in hand. And the paper measures 5 by 5. And first thing you want to do is score it at 2. And I'm using my Memory Keepers, We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. So then you just follow the lines. So at first it looks weird, like, okay, is that going to be an envelope after? Because it looks so small, because you're used to like using bigger dimensions for paper. But yes, it will look like an envelope afterwards. So you punch, you score. So after the first punch, which is at the 2 inches, you just follow the line after that. So that's what you want to go ahead and do. So you can see that's what I'm doing. And then just remove that. And you want to corner around all the tip of the envelope. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Sorry. And depending how you want to go ahead and fold your paper, for me, I'm going to do it as a, like, what do you call it? A coin envelope. That's my theme. So, oops. Go ahead and burnish that. As well as this. So you can fold it this way and make it your regular type of envelope, but I prefer, like I said, the coin envelope. So what I do is I put this side, right goes first. Come on, glue. Right first. And then I put that on here. Press it down really good. Then I do this side. So yeah, just choose the side. Sometimes I'd have the edges on this side because that's how the paper was cut, and it would have those little edges, so I hide those. And so this is what it looks like, correct? Okay. So now it looks like a coin envelope. And there's a little bit of those threading or paper thread, like you use your trimmer. So then you want to go ahead and bring back your sentiment, which I have here. And like I said, I just use the any chipboard. If you have any like packing or anything, you can do it in 3 like this, or you can go ahead and just eyeball it and just cut it to that measurement. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to put some glue and then just, oops, press that down in the middle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So sometimes I count 10 seconds and I lift up and then do it again. some more glue on this side. And you want it to go a little bit, like 1/8 of an inch to the end in the middle, because you know that you're going to be tying the jute twine on your left side of this. So you press that down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then you take your jute twine, and what you want to do is, let me see, I think I started off, no, so you want to start off this way. That way you can crisscross the twine so it has that X effect. You see the X there? I think it just looks better, but you can do it any way you want. And then on that note, okay, hold on, I should have punched my paper. So then you want to go ahead and take some of your papers that you have in your stash. So I think I will use this one. So this, let me see here. This measures approximately 4 7/8, I think, by 1 1/2, or no, 1 1/4. 4 7/8 and 1 1/4. So it just depends, and you just want to go ahead and fold that in half. And you can just go, if you don't have the punch, you just do your mermaid or your fishtail here. Okay, and then you just use your hole puncher. So if I want it to show like this or this side, I think I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and punch in there. So then I'm going to go ahead and put this here, put it together, tie this in here. And then you make your little bow if you can. Okay. And that's how you go about that. And don't forget your gift card. And you can just tuck that in there if you want. You can glue it, seal it, but I think it's just cute the way it is with the little twine on here. Let's make sure that X is showing here like this. And that's how I made this. So I think they're so adorable. Aren't these the cutest ever? So you can just make a whole bunch of these stacks, and like I said, any type of paper, and they're ready for any gift card for coworkers, neighbors, kids, and they're also great for stocking stuffers. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.